Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Orchids and Me. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. So today, we're going to do an unboxing. Unboxing po ng mga bago kong seedlings. So ito ay... I don't have the label. These are Oncidium seedlings. You can see there's how small they are. So when you order seedlings, it will be like this small. Like it will be this size. This is Oncidium Royal Robe. I didn't order Oncidium Royal Robe. And this one, look at it. This Tulumia is already burnt. Ram Lion. I think this is a wrong one. This one is Oncidium Popcorn. The other one is, oh no, this is Oncidium Ionopsis. Yeah, I ordered another one. So I think this one is Oncidium Ionopsis too. There are two. And the last one is Oncidium Singapore Orange. So it's already, this one is bigger, right? And the last one is Oncidium Miltonia Sunset. So I'll try to add the flower, expected flower from the supply. Thank you for watching. Like po kayo, comment, and subscribe. Hit nyo po yung notification bell so you'll be informed for upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one, I hope it will recover. Oh no. Medyo nainitan siya. Laluto. Ay. There's a mistake again.